Hello everyone, and today we'll be fixing, well, crack in the windshield. It's a star kind of crack. It's very hard to see with the reflection, but you can see it's right here. Placing it using 3M's Windshield Repair Kit, and we'll see how good this kit is. Yeah, so let's get cracking. And here's the damage from inside. Okay, so the first step is the bridge assembly, and that involves putting these two suction cups over in this bridge and then tightening it with the two screws. Okay, so the bridge assembly is complete. Okay, so step number 2 is to insert the resin chamber tip into the resin chamber. Okay, so now step number 3 will be the injector assembly. So this is the injector, and this is the injector o-ring. So what you do is just take this and slide it over the injector, slide the o-ring over the injector assembly. So after the first 3 steps, you should have the bridge, you should have the resin chamber, and you should have the resin injector assembly. All right, so now what we're gonna do is place a cloth under the windscreen or the windshield, so that if there's any dripping or anything, you're protected. Then we're gonna take a and just clean any loose pieces of glass. And once you're done with that, then you take a alcohol cloth or swab or whatever you want to call it, and just clean from the inside out. Okay, so now we're gonna take the bridge mounted over the damaged area, and you want to make sure that this hole is centered right on the crack. Okay, so the bridge has been mounted over the glass. You want to press on the two corners firmly so that the suction cups are nearly flat. As you can see, the center hole is, this hole is centered over the damaged area. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the resin assembly. We are gonna insert it here, and you gently want to turn it, and you want to keep turning it until it just touches the surface of the glass. When it just touches the surface of the glass, then you want to give it 3 half turns. The resin solution, we're going to use this dropper, and we're going to fill the resin assembly half. Okay, so I have filled the resin assembly with the liquid, and now what I'm going to do is start tightening the injector, and that will build up pressure and force the liquid into the crack. Okay, so I can see now that it's very hard to turn this thing. Okay, I'm trying my best, but I can't turn it. That's because it means enough pressure has been built. So while we're waiting for this to sit, here's a look from the inside. Okay, so after getting my tan for 20 minutes, here's the result. Okay, so I removed that dab. I don't know if I can. This is the damaged area now, as you can see. So ignore my ugly hand, but I think not bad if you ask me. At least it'll prevent it from expanding. So now if you got like this kind of pit, so what you can do is put a dab of the solution, and they provide you that sticky kind of, not a tape, but I mean a plastic film. You can put that on top, and that's it for a while. So